Day 2 of the Honda Cub project. Just getting the undercarriage done. I knew that mask was in there. Does it still got battery in it? A little bit. But yeah, if you want to help out with the drilling, I'd suggest putting on the mask.
I was just gonna come over to help with whatever you need.
Okay.
That's what I was doing.
Yeah. Ugh. Grab the Makita. Could you unchafe that cable for me? Just open the door like a... No, I don't want it to be like biting, being bit by that. Yeah, now it's good. There we go. And I got a bunch of slack too. That's okay.
Write this down as shop experience at Lowe's.
Shop experience.
Yeah, shop experience. This does feel like it's not filmed down here.
It's a nice day out.
It is. It's not that cold.
Tomorrow's still good. All the parts are coming tomorrow, so I want to get this painted as well. But the only thing is, you see down here, right?
Yeah.
There's a bit of rust, and I don't think it goes that far in there.
Okay.
But I still want to try and cover that up as well.
Yeah.
There we go.
You know, good job you're wearing a ventilator.
Whew. That's gonna be a pain, because that's fully enclosed. We might have to start doing that by hand.
Me?
If you want to try and help, yeah, we gotta somehow get that all out by hand. get that close. I'd rather you wear something like this.
I will.
Yeah. Where's the other one? Did you see? Oh, there it is. Because I don't care if it's just me, but I don't want you getting hurt or breathing any of this bad stuff in.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna try that.
See if that fits and see if I need to readjust that somehow. Make sure your hair's not in the way either.
Pull this out.
Yeah. I don't know if you want it tighter or looser. That got ripped out. That's fine though. We'll replace that at the hardware shop.
Take off your glasses for this?
I don't think you have to.
Okay.
I can give you this one if it's easier. But I'd rather you have the full face protection. Yeah, your hair's definitely in the way.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, pull it back. Pull your hair back.
I think I'm just gonna set it to the side. You know, I don't think that's gonna work.
You can just hold that.
Yep.
Actually, bring the chair on over so you can sit and do it. Okay. Could you pass me the bag of wire brushes in there?
Which one? This one?
It should be in like a Ziploc bag, no?
Oh, yeah.
Careful, don't touch like the bristles because they poke through.
Yeah.
I've stabbed myself so many times taking these out of the thing. It's not even funny. Max 4,500 RPM. Oh, this doesn't even come anywhere close. it's not scratching it. That was my main worry. Even though it's still steel, I was worried about it getting scratched up, but it's actually pretty shiny.
I think the ventilator would do more damage than if I just look away.
Hair in my ear. Getting somewhere. It's definitely still a lot of work to be done. Getting somewhere.
Getting there?
Somewhat. I still got the whole other side to do.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that ripped that straight up. That should be fine. I can always jerry-rig something. That's fine. It keeps on coming over and smacking me right on the leg. Trying to get this top part. And I gotta be really careful around here because I still want to preserve that that registration sticker.
Yeah.
In fact, could you pass me the masking tape, the yellow tape in there? Thank you.
Yep.
And could you look in that blue box for a red box cutter? Because I think I can do it by hand, but I'd rather just have it pretty perfect. Alright, just push the bike forward a little bit so I can get it tilted.
Oh.
Just lift it up, yeah, and push it, yeah, the other way. There you go, you can let it go now. Could you grab that drill?
Oh.
Actually, can I push it over? No, you don't gotta grab the drill. Unless you want to come over here and start helping. I'll just tease him.
I'm fine. I'd rather not get rust in my throat. I don't think I will, but...
I told you to put the ventilator on it. I'd rather you do, just in case.
I mean, if I look away from it, it dissipates pretty quickly.
Some years down the road, something happens. Now, to be fair, with all your ailments, I don't think we'd ever be able to know what.
No, I don't think. I think if I get some weird disease from this, I don't think it's gonna know. I don't think I'm gonna notice it. I think at this point it's just like I'm screwed, so might as well live life the best I can. My headphones on that pumpkin.
Ew.
I don't care.
You know the funny part is we threw that out.
Oh, they're all wet. That's kind of gross. A little bit wet, or that might just be cold. I don't know.
Yeah, this registration sticker I wasn't able to save any of the other ones, sadly. But this one was the very first. So I do want to preserve it, even though it's from, Pennsylvania. That's a good few states away. Yeah, Pennsylvania's, where is that? Like next to New York? Or down in New York?
It's past New York and New Jersey.
Ah.
Near Virginia and those places.
Oh, those places. Alright, I'm gonna flip this back up.
Okay.
Actually, just lift that up.
What?
Just lift it up. Okay. Still got work to be done. At least that's protected now so I don't accidentally go over it. Hey, make sure that camera's still on. Thanks.
Yeah, it's still on.
Alright, good.
I still see you.
If you could hold it like by here, then it would stop moving so much.
Here?
Maybe like here if you don't mind.
Yeah, I got it. There?
Yeah. There we go. you can see the sparks fly, and that's pretty.
Yeah, that's great forever.
Man, I want to keep those because I can tuck the turn signal through that wire on these clamps, which is probably what that was originally used for. Why do I sound like Steve Buscemi right now?
I don't know. Looking better.
Yeah. I hate these brushes because the bristles fly off and hit you.
That's annoying.
But it's even worse with the small ones because they're so tiny and they just like stab you and you won't even notice they're there. I still find them in my clothes despite the fact that I haven't used one of those in ages. Also, all the bolts are starting to come loose on this side. I gotta remember to save that. Oh wait, that's for the... No, that's not for the tank. That's for the battery. That's for the battery. Yesterday I had to pull that out. It was like a big plastic, metal clamp. But that was useless for what I'm doing. I'm gonna switch over. You can put this on, right? It's a lot less hard. Yeah, take my glasses off too. Sure you can't get that strapped over?
What? What did he say?
Can you get that strapped over?
Oh, no, it's fine. I can just hold it. It's fine. Or do you want me to strap it over?
I prefer it because you're my friend. And I know I joked, but I don't want you to get, like, anything hurt. Alright, take a look at that blue bucket. There might be a, safety goggles you can wear over your glasses.
I mean, I'm fine with mine.
Look, I mean, I'd rather you wear them, but alright. Tomorrow should be a lot easier because we're not dealing with this cramped space. We're just dealing with going, way over down the bike. Only thing I'm worried about is getting that fork removed because I hate removing forks because they always have some kind of funny bolt. is a great drill. I do not like battery drills. They're just so bothersome. I mean, they're good for certain purposes, and if you just really need to do something quickly. But I like the torque that this gives. Plus, and for you, think of torque as like,
Yeah, like,
you're going real fast, right?
yeah, how fast is good?
But this is strange. You can have something going really fast, but if you touch it, it'll just stop instantly. But you know, having higher torque, right? That means, you know, it's not going to really stop when you try and stop it. It'll just keep on going. Okay, so we're pretty much nearly done here on this side, but the other side needs to be done as well. So I gotta switch sides when I'm all set. I'll stretch on my leg real quick. A lot of it's just rust. Not rust, dust.
Yeah, it
So-
is. A lot of it's poisonous, probably.
Huh? I mean, yeah. This being a 65, it's probably got my paint. Hey! Here's that cup I was talking about. Gino, good friend.
What the hell's happening, kid? Oh, you got a frame.
Yeah, yeah.
Son of a bitch.
I'm just trying to
Well,
get.
at least you got a frame.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing the undercarriage right now today.
Look at that.
Yeah.
The body's nice. Where'd you get the body?
I got it online. The only issue with the body is right here. There's a rust hole.
Yeah.
But that's the only place because I was like going all over trying to see
Yeah,
where the
yeah.
rust was. And that was
Excellent.
the worst spot. So probably today actually I want to just quickly go over that before I paint it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But it's still gonna be electric, right? When you put
Yeah.
everything together.
This is a completely different bike. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Honda 50.
Oh yeah, it says 150. And it's gonna be electric, right?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is my good friend. I've known him for a while
Hello.
now.
Yeah, that's good. At least you got a frame. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Something instead of nothing. Right, you need a frame, but you're gonna put everything else that off the other bike. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little.
I'm just gonna take the battery from the other bike for now.
Yeah.
Because I got another motor and I'm gonna get that customized as well.
Oh, geez. You got another motor. How come? You got the
It's a
other.
little bit faster. It's like 35 instead of 25.
Oh, okay. It'll go faster. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You paid about a couple $100 for that motor.
Yeah.
Remember? Jesus.
This is a pretty expensive project as well. I'll probably drop like 1,800.
Oh, I know that. You can. Yeah, I know.
Well, it's a
You're gonna throw some
65.
money.
Look at that. Oh, I covered the registration thing up. That's right. But it was a 1965 Pennsylvania.
Ah.
Or 1966.
Well, where'd you get the frame? That's what I'm wondering.
Online. I just had somebody ship it over to me.
Ticket. Yeah, online.
Yeah.
You got it for nothing.
The rest of the
probably.
parts are coming tomorrow. We're going to be painting those. I just
Yeah.
I want to get the undercarriage done first and foremost because this is Massachusetts after all.
True.
So we got that salt. I don't plan on riding in the winter that much, but
Yeah. Well, how much you pay for it?
this frame was like $250. A little bit over.
It's kind of rusty, you know what I mean? They shouldn't have charged you that much.
It's a 1965, and you know,
I know it's going to be a little
for the
rusty.
shipping as well.
Yeah, you're right. You got the handlebars for it?
Yeah, those are coming tomorrow, I believe.
Oh, you got to order them. But you didn't have no handlebars when you got them?
Yeah, no, that's all right. That's all right. That's what I
Oh,
was...
because they were messed up.
No, it did come with. It didn't come with handlebars.
Oh, it didn't come with
Yeah, it
handlebars.
was just the frame and the fork.
Oh, I see.
But that's all right. That was all right because you know.
Yeah, all right, it's okay.
And then like you know, 600 or something just for like the main body and for the rest of the stuff.
Yeah.
But I think it's worth it for what this is.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, and I
Yeah,
can
you're
always
right.
make that money back pretty soon.
Yeah, it'll look pretty nice
Yeah.
too. I like the fender.
Oh yeah.
I like the shape of it and stuff. You know.
Yeah, that English style fender.
But do you have a front one for it?
Yeah, the front one's coming. I got these.
Oh, okay.
This bike's a lot more popular in other places of the world, so they make the parts
Yeah.
in like Bangkok and stuff like that. So that's where I ordered the rest of the stuff from. So it's not going to come for a hot minute. But
That's
yeah.
okay. Yeah. Well, at least you got a project.
Oh yeah.
You're good at it, so you know it'll come together. 'Cause,
Yeah.
You know.
Can I tell you what happened?
What's that?
My grandmother passed recently.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's too bad. How old?
Oh, I don't know. Off the top of my head.
Oh, well, she was old, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. Hey, we all gotta go sometimes. And some earlier and some later. I mean, it depends.
Yeah.
I'm 71
So it's nice
myself.
to have a project now.
Yeah.
Something to get my mind off this stuff.
Yeah. All right, buddy. I'm gonna get something to eat.
All right, you have a nice one.
All right, man. At least they got a frame for it. That's great.
Yeah. Let me get on to the other side. Let me just check if this is still rolling. Yeah, it's still rolling. Been out here about 33 minutes now. Judging by that camera. Oh.
I thought you meant this side.
Oh. Oh, my back. I envy you with that chair.
Your back still hurts.
Oh, you can scooch closer so you can...
Fine.
Alright. just gonna do this part next,
Yippee.
which is gonna be a pain if the Amazon truck don't come, because I bought drill extenders there. Like they go like 12 inches out, and you can like bolt your truck onto it. So that should help. There's still that part, but I'm not exactly worried about just how much we gotta get of this. Because if we miss a couple spots, I mean the paint's still gonna hold. It's, you know, for undercarriages, so no storm. We got like the opposite of copain nails going on.
Yeah.
Instead of the pinky being long, it's all the other fingers except for the pinky.
Yeah, I know. I need a different cut.
I got clippers in the room.
It's fine. My skin's super reactive to it.
We can mask this off when it comes to painting the entire body. The other parts shouldn't be as tough because the other parts are just what's coming? The subframe, which is this tiny little piece of metal that goes like from here to here. Wait, fly. And what else is coming? What else is coming? I can't think. I guess the front wheel, but that's going to be more of a polishing job, if even. Because I got the rim that I'm going to put the motor on. So that's not really anything. And the tank should be easy. I'm just going to mask that off. Handlebars too. I'm just going to remove the electronics from it. And that's a pretty easy process.
It'd be so much harder without me.
Oh yeah. No, it's fine because you're holding it up pretty steady. Okay. I gotta do that now.